Namaste. How are you guys doing? I'm back with another food recipe after a long time. Today's recipe is a super simple dessert recipe that can be made in under 15 minutes. So today we are going to make MEETHE CHAWAL, sweetened rice. For this recipe we need 1/4 cup of ghee, 1 crushed clove, half cup granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of water, a few strands of saffron, just a pinch of turmeric, 1.5 cups of cooked rice, an assortment of chopped dry fruits. I will be using chopped almonds, chopped cashews, chopped pistachios, and a few raisins. Melt ghee in a pan on medium heat. And add crushed clove to it. Let it sizzle in ghee for around 10 seconds and then add the granulated sugar. Let the sugar caramelize in ghee for around a minute, stirring occasionally. After a minute, add water and be very careful. Add saffron. At this point, add a pinch of turmeric, followed by cooked rice. Mix everything well. Put a lid on the pan and let the rice soak in all the sugary goodness for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, remove the lid and add the chopped dry fruits. Give it a good stir, mixing everything, and put the lid on again for another 2 minutes. And that's it. MEETHE CHAWAL is ready to be served. I hope you do try this recipe, and if you do, leave your thoughts in the comment section. Do like this video and share it with people with a sweet tooth. I'll be back very soon with another video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy.